Oria matuko maraikaikia noguo thirikari irataukwo njira njeru cia uria arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19 aria matari ahote magirumirira urigiti ona matari mathibitari-ini na nikio arwaru 600 marekereirio kuma mathibitari-ini makahonere micii. Arwaru 330 marekereirio kuma thibitari-ini wa Kenyatta University guku nao arwaru 212 makirekereirio kuma thibitari-ini wa Coast General makahonere mucii. Mutaratara uria thirikari yugite igukorwo ikirumanirira naguo niguo gutigirira gutire undu wahitana ona arwaru aya mari micii-ini.
We have also now launched the home care system by discharging a substantial number of people from hospitals. For example, from Kenyatta University, we have discharged some 338 persons who are positive for home-based care after the 14-day period recommended by the World Health Organization.
But most of them were symptomatic. Home-based care is not a new practice in the field of medicine. It has been done previously and very successfully for HIV/AIDS.
Ithimi 3,651 cionanitie ati bururi wa Kenya ni wandikithitie arwaru angi 260 gatagati-ini ka mathaa 24 namba iria irahinga arwaru 4,700 aria othe mari na murimu uyu guku bururi-ini.
Cumulatively, 140,000 samples have been run so far. And out of these 260 positive cases, 254 are Kenyans, while 6 are foreigners. 176 are male, 84 are female.
Andu eri aria makwite gatagati-ini ka mathaa 24 maihuritie ithabu ria andu 123 aria makwite kumana na murimu uyu gatagati-ini ka thiku 100 iria bururi wa Kenya ugomeirwo ni murimu uyu guku nao andu 21 makiandikithio kuhona.
I also note sadly that we have lost 2 patients from the disease, bringing the cumulative number of fatalities to 123.
Thiine wa ithimi iria irutitwo gatagati-ini ka mathaa 24 cionanitie arwaru 157 ni akuma kaunti ya Nairobi, 50 nao ni akuma kaunti ya Mombasa, guku nao 18 ni akuma kaunti ya Kiambu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.